Brr, it's chilly out here. Let's make some. Today we're making chop chop chili. If you want to cook with me, go get your stuff and remember to wash your hands. If you're using anything hot or sharp, go get an adult. They like to feel important. Then you're going to take the beans and you're going to open them. I'll spill it all over the place. And then take the can of beans and I'm going to drain it. How I'm going to do it is I'm going to put the drainer in the sink, then drain the beans in to the drainer, and then rinse the beans and bring them back over here and pour them in the pot. Now I'm going to take the black beans and I'm going to pour them in the pot. Then I'm going to take the onion and pepper blend, and then I'm going to pour the whole thing in there. Then I'm going to take the can of tomatoes and I'm going to open it. Be careful because the can of tomatoes will be sharp. Okay, then I'm going to carefully take the tomato cap out and throw it in the recycling. Then I'm going to pour all of it into the pot. Then how you're going to rinse it is I'm just going to use this water and I'm going to pour it in. And don't worry, it's okay if you pour this in because you're going to pour water in it in the later. Then you're going to take the cup of corn and dump it into the pot. And then you grab your spoon and do 1 spoonful of cumin. Then you're going to take the chili powder and you're going to do 2 spoonfuls of chili powder. I just poured too much chili powder into the pot, so I just did 1 spoonful and lots of chili powder. Then I'm going to take the garlic and I'm going to do 1 spoonful of garlic. And pour it into the pot. Then I'm going to pour the rest of the water into the pot. Like that. Then I'm going to put it into the, or whatever big pot you have. And then I'm going to cook it and ask your parents to help you know what time to do it. And then once you're done cooking, but 3 handfuls of spinach you're going to put inside at the very last. And then you're going to stir it up.